Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open a bank account in PNC Bank through the PNC Bank mobile app. So you can download this app from your Play Store or App Store. Simply open it and then type in PNC Bank. After that, download the app. Since I've already downloaded it, I'll simply open it. And once you've opened the app, it will ask you, are you already a PNC customer? But since you are not a PNC customer and want to open a bank account, tap the third option, which is no, but I'm interested. And now you can get started creating a PNC bank account. So the first step you have to do is entering your zip code. And once you've typed in your zip code, tap done. It will ask you, would you like to view products offered to you to your specific location that you may apply for now? If you are interested to view products, you can tap sure, but if you don't want, you can simply tap no. In this case, I'll tap no, and it will ask you what PNC products would you like to continue exploring. So now you can create checking accounts, saving accounts, credit cards, and all PNC products. Now, if you want to create a checking or saving account, you can simply do so by tapping the first or second option. Or if you are interested in creating a credit card, you can simply do so by tapping the third option. But for now, I'll simply create a saving account. Then it will take you to your browser where you'll have to again enter your zip code. And now it will take you to this page where you'll be given a ton of options where you can choose from and apply to that particular options. So you can read all of these and find the account you want to create. And once you've chosen account type, simply tap on apply now and you can apply for that account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.